In this video, we will be comparing the stock iPhone 14 Pro Max microphone to this wireless Me from Rode. This should be aimed to people like me wanting something that out of the box gives great audio every time. So let's see how it compares to the built-in microphone of my iPhone. I'm currently filming with the iPhone above this and slightly, to the side of my head, and we are now recording on the built-in microphone of the iPhone. So let's open this up, and I'm hoping we can just compare the audio right now to when we plug this in and see if it just switches over to a different sounding audio. So here is the unboxing, and we'll go through everything in the box when we get it, set up. So here we have the receiver and transmitter. We have a small pouch to carry everything in, and here we have the accessories. The great thing with the Wireless Me is that you have two-way audio right out of the box with the two-piece kit. If you go with the Wireless Go 2, you need to buy the three-piece kit to have two microphones. So this is perfect for me, feature-wise. Let's see if the audio is also perfect. I'm hoping so, because I've had good experience in the past with Rode. So let's just, get everything hooked up, and we'll see if the audio just changes instantly. So let's see how to power this on. I'm guessing like that. I'm not sure how much battery this has out of the box. It's not that great on the transmitter. Let's see if it works anyway. So here we have the receiver. I would assume it is the receiver. Well, let's not do anything with the furry windshields just yet. So I'll hook up the transmitter onto the phone. Let's see if the audio just changes over. I'm just gonna hook this up here somewhere on the phone. So, yeah, this is the transmitter. Perfect. This is the one you will be wearing. Right now I'm holding it maybe a foot from my face, which is the same distance that the phone is from my face, roughly. But I'm going to clip this onto my shirt and see how do I sound. Does this sound great? Let's see if we can go over some of the accessories while you listen to the audio. And remember, this is straight out of the box. No configurations has been made. Not in the Rode app, which you can download to your phone and do some settings. It has some nice features with dynamic gain or automatic gain and so on. Everything set up so you don't need to do minimal adjustments and still get a very big improvement in sound, or that's the idea at least. So this video will tell you how much of a difference it is compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max's built-in microphones. And if you have a different iPhone or an older iPhone, it's pretty safe to assume that those microphones are comparable or slightly worse than the 14 Pro Max, which is currently the latest iPhone. So we have some cables here so you can hook it up to a DSLR. Okay, if you're hearing that scratching sound, it's my cat wanting to come inside, so she's clawing the window. I'm just gonna let her in and we'll continue. And as this is a wireless microphone, I can step away from the camera. You can still hear me. Yeah, welcome in. That's why I got this kit, so I don't need to have a stationary mic mounted on the camera. So as I was saying, we have cables to connect to a smartphone and to a DSLR or other, film camera. Also a USB-C to USB-C, and the USB-C to Lightning, which I just connected to my phone. I really like how they include all of these cables, so I mean everything is in the kit, you just need to plug it into whatever device you have. So let's put some stuff in the nice little pouch here. I will of course not carry everything with me, but yeah, this is a nice little pouch. I mean, a real case with a zipper and so on would be nice, especially for the price. This was around, I think it was $150 something. So, I mean, if the quality of this is the same quality as I'm expecting from Rode and have seen in the past on my old microphone, this should last me a good few years, and hopefully it will be a sound investment. And I hope you enjoyed this video and that you like the sound coming out of the wireless ME, because that's what's going to be heard in most of my future videos. Some of the upcoming videos next are shot a while back when I didn't have this microphone, and I did test the Saramonics Blink 100 in the video where I compare all the Apple Watch bands. So yeah, that's not on the Rode, even though I'm saying I have a new mic. I switched that to the Rode just because I wanted to be on the safe side, as I trust Rode a little bit since I have experience with them. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.